Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a Facebook developer app so you can get credentials. Go to the app dashboard, add Facebook login, and set the valid OAuth redirect URI for your site or app. Once done, copy the app ID and app secret into your configuration file or environment variables. That's how Facebook recognizes requests from your code. Make sure the platform settings, web, Android, iOS, match where you'll run the login flow so tokens are issued correctly. Next, implement the OAuth authorization flow. Wire a login button to redirect the user to Facebook's authorized endpoint with your app ID, scopes, and redirect URI. After the user approves, Facebook returns a code to your callback. Your server exchanges that code for an access token using the app secret. Once you have the token, validate it and request the user's profile or email from the Graph API. This server-side exchange prevents exposing the app secret and secures the login. Finally, convert the Facebook identity into a local session. Create or update a user record, then issue your session cookie or JWT and redirect the user into the app. Make sure the app is switched to live and your production redirect URIs are set. Otherwise, logins will fail. If things go wrong, check for mismatched redirect URI or that the app remains in development mode. Regenerate secrets only when necessary, and update your environment immediately to avoid token errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.